In this video, you will learn how to use Apple Maps on Windows PC. First, open Microsoft Edge. If you don't know where to find it, simply click the Start button and search for Microsoft Edge. Once Edge is open, click the address bar at the top and type maps.apple.com, then press Enter. This will open Apple Maps on the web. You can use it to search for places, find directions, explore locations, and more. Now, if you want to open Apple Maps more quickly in its own window, you can install the website as an app. To do this, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Microsoft Edge. Then move your mouse over More Tools and then Apps and select Install this site as an app. A small window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Install. Edge will now create an Apple Maps web app on your Windows PC. After the installation is complete, the Apple Maps app will open in its own window instead of inside a normal browser tab. You may also see options asking whether you want to add Apple Maps to your Start menu, Taskbar, or desktop. Select the options you want and then click Allow. If Windows shows another confirmation notification, simply follow the instructions on the screen. And that's it. Apple Maps is now set up on your Windows PC, so you can quickly open it whenever you need it. Keep in mind that this is the Apple Maps web app, so you don't need to download an unofficial program. You can also use Apple Maps directly in Edge without installing it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe.